Thanks for tuning into my YouTube channel. In this video, I show you how to reset the maintenance required light in a 2016 Toyota Highlander. It also works on other years and also other Toyota models, so check it out. As you can see, I have the maintenance required message on the dashboard. I also have the orange triangle with the exclamation point. So let me show you how to reset it. To get started, the car must be turned off. My vehicle is equipped with the push to start button, so what I want to do, without my foot on the brake pedal, I'm going to press the push to start button 2 times, and that will put the vehicle into accessory mode. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. 1, 2. And as you can see, it put the vehicle into accessory mode. Now what you want to do is you want to push the odometer trip button until you get to trip A. So I am now on trip A. And once you get to trip A, go ahead and turn off the car. Next, with the car turned off, you need to hold down the odometer button and push the press to start button 2 times. 1, 2. And it's going to go ahead and reset the maintenance data. Just continue to hold the odometer button until it is done, and it looks like it's done. So let's see if we have cleared it. I'm going to go ahead and start the car. And magic, it is no longer there. Everything has been reset, and that is how you do it. So there you have it, how to reset the maintenance required light on a Toyota Highlander. I hope it worked for you. If it did, please take the time to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and click the notification bell so you'll be notified when I post a new video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.